Hello, hi, welcome to Study Blog. Subscribe to get our videos in order. I will explain about SSCMTS number system, and in this top important questions we have required, and in this SSCMTS examination we will discuss the important questions. Very important. Okay, I'll read it. On dividing a number by 56. But get 29 as reminder on dividing the same number by 8. What was the reminder he's asking? Okay, I'll explain this. On dividing a number by 56, okay? Let it number be x. And let a number be, okay, x. And next, x. We get 29. Okay, divided number by 56. By means divided by. Okay, x by 56. 56 is a quotient. Get means equals to. He is in the question given 29. Okay, x by 56 quotient equals to 29. Okay, x equals to 56 quotient plus 29. Because quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. Okay, 29 is the remainder and 56 is the quotient. So this is a basic formula. We have to know this formula. Okay, so please remind this formula in our mind. Quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. Okay, next, x equals to 56 quotient plus 29. 56 quotient plus 29 by 8, because he is giving in the question same number by 28. X equals to, what is that, 56 quotient plus 29 and x number by 8, so x by 8, so x value by 8. 56 quotient plus 29 by 8. Okay, next 56 quotient plus it will be expanded. Okay, 8 cents. Next, 8 ones 8, 3 is 24. 24 and remaining is minus. Okay, so 5 is the remainder. So this is the final answer is remainder 5. He's asking in the question also remainder, so prove it. Okay, next question. This is a very important question in 2017, 16 and 15 also, and 1992. Okay, on dividing a number by 5 we get a number 3 is a remainder. What will be the remainder? Or then the square of this number is divided by 5. Okay, let the number be x. Okay, we assume that number is x. Fine. Okay, next, x is divided by 5, so 5 is a quotient. Okay, x divided by 5 is a quotient, and we get means equals to, so equals to 3. X divided by 5 quotient equals to 3. X equals to 5 quotient plus 3. Okay, we know that quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. We will discuss in previous question also, so we know this formula. We have to know about this formula. And next, okay, x. Next, in that question, what will be the remaining out? The square. He's giving a square. Square means, do you know that? Yes, square is x is normal one, and if square applied, x square. So x square divided by 5, because he's giving in that question is 5. X square by 5x means 5 quotient plus 3. So x square means 5 quotient plus 3 whole square. The x value is 5 quotient plus 3. We know that. So x square means 5 quotient plus 3 by 5. Okay. This is expanded. 5 quotient plus 3 is whole square. The formula is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 25 whole square. 5 5 is 25. Quotient square plus 3 3 is 9 plus 2ab. 2 into a into b. Okay. Okay. Next 5 is a common. 5 5 is 25 and 5 6 30 and 9 is not in the fifth table. So 5 1 is 5 and remaining is 4. So quotient plus remainder. Already I told you that, guys. So the remainder is 4. Answer is 4. It's very easy, right? This model is okay. Please subscribe.